Weather coverage you can count on with Ashley Carter and the Way 31 Storm Tracker Early Warning Radar Network.
Waking up to some sunshine if you're in Decatur. It's a nice look over downtown Decatur from our Way 31 Sky Camera Network. 70 degrees right now, so it looks a lot better than it feels out there. We're going to prepare for a hot and humid day on your Saturday. We're also waking up to some visibility issues in most of North Alabama this morning. Going to see visibility drop down to about a mile in some areas, but as the morning goes on, visibility will improve and we'll be right back to good visibility well before we hit 10 o'clock. So if you do have some early morning errands to run, I would say just take it slow on those roads. Be very patient because in those areas, especially closer to those bodies of water, that's where we could see that dense fog. Right now, it's quiet from our Way 31 Storm Tracker Early Warning Radar Network, not tracking any rain on any of our 3 radar sites, and that's going to reign true for most of the morning. So if you have some chores to get done, maybe mowing the yard, watering the lawn, I would say today is going to be the best day to maybe knock that out. If you try to wait till tomorrow, you may have a small window just depending on how early you wake up, but once you get into the work week, you're not going to want to be outdoors by much, and that's because we have some of those storms moving in. But like I said, this morning, we should be good. It's once we get into the afternoon that we start to see some of that scattered shower activity, and we could see some downpours in some of those areas as well as gusty winds. And that's really going to take place on your Saturday afternoon into tonight. But tomorrow, that's when those rain chances really pick up. They're going to start much earlier. Better chances though as we get into the afternoon. We're going to be right back in the 80s with that 60% chance of rain. So if you do have some outdoor plans on your Sunday, you may want to reschedule them, especially if they're later on in the afternoon. And that's because we're going to start to see some of those impacts from Tropical Depression Fred. So this is the latest from Tropical Depression Fred. We see that it is over Cuba. And it'll remain over Cuba as it continues to make its way into the Gulf by today and into your Sunday. It's going to start to hit the Florida Panhandle on your Monday. And when Tropical Depression Fred gets going, we're going to see it start to see some impacts here on your Sunday well before it even hits North Alabama. So your Sunday afternoon, again, if you have some outdoor plans, may want to reschedule that because we're going to start to see those impacts from Fred, not only on your Sunday, but on your Monday. So bring that umbrella with you. Make sure you pack it with the kids to school. But once we get into your Tuesday, that's when we're going to see that tropical depression make its way to that I-65 corridor here in North Alabama. And it is going to bring some of that heavy rain for long periods of time. You're not going to want to be outdoors at all when it comes Tuesday into the Tuesday afternoon into your Tuesday night. Could even see some heavy showers on your Wednesday. As far as severe activity, it's mainly right now looking like we're going to see that in the eastern counties, but we could still see some in the western counties. We're still several days out, so we're going to continue to track that. As far as rainfall, we're expecting a lot because of that heavy rain, almost 2 inches by the time we get to your Wednesday night. And since the wet pattern continues, we could get close to 2.5 in some of those areas by the end of the work week. We're also tracking another tropical system, Tropical Storm Grace. Right now, it's still over water, but we expect it to head towards Puerto Rico and the Virgin Islands within the next couple of days. So if you have those Trash Pandas tickets, you're definitely going to want to monitor that system coming in on your Tuesday. May see some rain delays. Wednesday, rain chances do start to lower, going to even see a drop in temperatures towards the end of the work week. We'll be right back.